Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 20. Sorry, 3. Date is 28. In session number 3, we are going to see two basic commands. But before that, yesterday I said how to create an account only, but I didn't explain to you how to create the VM. Now we will see how to create a VM to do the lab practice. Yes. So let me show you from the beginning. 1 second. So go to the console.aws.amazon.com. This is a URL to log into your account after account creation. So this is the first step after account, that is a free account creation. While creating the account, it will ask you three options: free, or testing, or production based. You have to select the free. In out of 5 steps, fifth step, that is a free one. So when you enter this URL, it will ask you select the root user by default, which will be selected, and enter the mail ID which one you provided at the creation time, and then after provide the password. So now by default you will be landed in the default console or management console. We will call this is a management console. The first step, every day the search bar is there, type EC2. Type EC2 word. Then after, when you type EC2, you will get EC2 option. Just click on this EC2. That's it. You will be landed inside of this page. Yes, it's a step 2. Then after, here there are multiple options are there. Step 3. You can click on either here or here or here. Best way is always check here, is it 0 or not. And remember, everything I am doing on region North Virginia, and by default you may get North Ohio. But anything, any one of the region you have to maintain constantly. So either click on here or here or here. But I'm instances running. I'm clicking on the link. And remember, remove this search bar. This one, instance state equal to running is there. Just to click on that. Now this is a perfect your EC2 VMs console. And now our target is right side top corner, launch instances. One button is there. Launch instances. This one, orange color one. Click on that. No, Sandeep, it is required to all the other members. New members are added. Please wait. Launch instance. Launch instance option is there. Instances. Launch instances is there. Just click on that. Very simple steps you are going to see now. Enter the name, even that is also optional. You can provide the name or leave it. Here, instance types are available. See, by default, Amazon Linux is selected. Select Red Hat Linux here. Red Hat Linux. Next, we will see you go to next Amazon Linux. Now, first of all, by default, we have Amazon Linux. Now select Red Hat Linux. Yes, it's a step number 1. Even you don't need to provide the name also. Just to select this one. And is it free or not? Red Hat Linux 9 free trial it is. It is completely free trial. Yes. Always you have to select which are free only. Yes, it is a completely free trial only. It's a first already default free trial only. And next one, how much RAM and CPU you want? There is something T2.micro is there. And check this one. Is it free? Yes. You have to select here and there. free only. By default, you will get free only, but check one time. And Red Hat machine is free. Yes. And then after T2 micro also it is free. Yes. Then only these two steps. So next I'm going to do one activity. It is a one-time activity. Key pair. Key pair. Key pair is a one-time activity. Only one time. See, only one-time activity. Just to create a pair. Key my shell script and select the PPK. I mean, we can connect by putty. Just select the PPK. Select PPK. PPK. Only one-time activity. This key, it will ask you download that key. Securely, we have to store that one. See, automatically, which is downloaded. Only one time. Next day, you no need to create again new key. Already existing key. My shell key. You have to select it. Second day, don't create again new. And that's a launch it. Your VM is ready. Your VM is ready. That's all. Yes. Again, click on instances here. Instances. Same dashboard will come. Wait. Now it is running. Pending. Then how to close after practice, we will see in today's session. Very simple. Again, if you want to create a new VM, again second day, for example. No need to give any name. Just see. Next second day, if you are coming to second day, Red Hat Linux. Select this one. And is it free trial? Yes. And instance is free trial? Yes. Key is there? Yes. I already have key, which is already there. And launch instance. That's all. Second day. But how to terminate after your practice? After your practice, how to terminate? How to terminate? So for example, this VM is there. How to terminate? Select this VM, check mark, and come to instance type. Even you can select all at a time also, but every day you will practice only one machine only. Select running one, select it, come to first select it, come to terminate instance, and click on terminate. That's all. Your machine will be deleted or completely deleted. But you don't worry, this message will be available to you 15 minutes on the screen. Right. So one machine I created, which is running. How to log into this one? Remember, when you click on this machine, click on connect. The default username EC2 it is showing on the screen. EC2-user and public IP also there. Even not required this one. Which machine? This machine you want to connect. Public IP is there. Yes, public IP is there. Now you can download one small software from the putty. Putty download small software to connect the Linux machines. I think you are connecting from SSH. Am I right? Money. I think you are connecting from
what we can give.
You are connecting from MS DOS. Okay, I will see. Now
Yes,
I downloaded this file. Let me complete. So when you download this one, putty software, small utility to connect the remote servers, especially Linux servers. To download putty or another software is also there. Mobile Extreme. This is the URL for the putty. Putty is enough, sir. Now need another things. Okay. Now after the download of the putty, you have to install. Then you will get this type of window. Where is the putty? This is the icon. Just enter your IP address. What is the machine IP address? The machine IP address is public IP address. This machine, public IP address. Select this one, go to the networking. Select this machine, go to the networking. See, select this machine. There are multiple tabs are there here. Select the networking. One bookmark is there. Copy public IP. Just paste here. Then even you better to copy in this way. EC2-user at the rate. EC2-user is a default user. Default user and at the rate. See, just when you create the VM, these will be changed. Only IP address you will get a different. And then after come to SSH. See, you have default in this way. You have left side panel, connection. Inside of the connection, expand SSH. Inside authentication. Inside credentials. There is the first one is there, private key for the authentication, file for authentication. Yes, one more time. Connection, number 1. SSH 2. Authentication 3. In the credentials is a 4. And with the file, which one you downloaded, the file you have to give here. So the downloaded file is available. My shell script, this is the one. And click on open. Yes, you will get a prompt, accept. That's all, your machine is ready. You can change the font size and other details. Change setting, just right click on this blue color one. Change settings. Appearance. In the appearance, one more button is there, change the font size and confirm it and apply. That's all, your machine is ready. See, PWD, hostname, who am I, and what is the shell name. Yes, even if you are not satisfied with this font, change settings, appearance, change. You can give whatever the best one you feel, which font is the best one for you, select that one, apply. Yes, clear the screen. Very simple way we have.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, regarding when creating the machine, sir, at what in the security inbound and outbound, what you are giving, sir? That one.
No need to give anything, sir. By default, 22 is enabled.
Oh, so no need to change, right, sir? Anything, sir?
Just only 2 steps every day you have to follow. When you create the VM, what is that? First, come to this portal. Click on issue instances. Only 2 steps. Even no need to type even single word also. Day 2 onwards. When you want to create a VM, first, see, even you no need to provide any name. What is the email?
Yeah.
Select it. First option.
Red Hat. Yeah.
Check it. Is it free trial? Yes. And
yes.
E2 micro, is it in free trial? Yes.
Yes.
We created a key. Select it. Just click on launch instance.
Yeah. And I think all defaults, sir. I think if sir, everything. Sir.
All are default only. Just we have to selection is there. Only selection.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I will create.
Naga, can you able to connect the network? I mean, between these 2 servers connection, the first instance and second instance.
Definitely, that is a passwordless authentication that comes to the.
No. I'm asking these 2 server instances are different, right? Okay. For example, I can connect from first instance to second instance, like.
No,
any we
I
can
went. I mean, already it is terminated. It is deleted. No, there. It is not there.
Okay, no. In case if I create 2-3 instances, so can you make into network all the 3 in single network? It's possible.
Absolutely possible. These all are coming from a default VNet only. I mean VPC.
Okay. So they're all interconnected. You're telling, right?
These both are all these are local only. Why? Because actually, when we work with AWS, we need to learn networking. But by default, every region, one default VPC is there. Same word in Azure we will call virtual network. Here, same word we will call as a VPC. Even see, don't know anything, but default something, VPC information. I will show you that VPC information. We are not provided anything, but one VPC is created or not backend.
Okay. And what about the root access we'll get here?
So by default, 22 will be allowed.
No, root access, because I see it's created as some user, right? EM, some default user is different. We can able to log in as a root or something.
Root user,
This,
only one word.
yeah.
Very first one, yes, you want to get full permission on machine, just use sudo su. Directly you will get the root permission.
Okay.
Then the best
Okay.
option is change the root password.
Okay.
Now everything in our control.
Okay, man.
Okay. Even good question. How to move to default user is EC2. How to go to the root user? Sudo space su. Su. Thank you.
Hi,
Let's.
Mani here.
Yes, sir.
Naga, I just created the key pair. I just downloaded the key pair, but it downloaded in .cer file with the extension, not in PEM file.
No issue, sir. You can download either MSI or .exe, any one of them. We need that software. You can download MSI or .exe, anything is fine. I think you downloaded from here. See, I will.
Yes. If it is not supported in our laptop means, so how we can connect as a terminal? Is there any way?
Yes, absolutely. If input is not supported to you, at least go to SSH, open MS command prompt. In ms.ssh-i. Where is your downloaded file? My downloaded file is available. The location I am providing, my shell script. Yes. Then after, username is ec2-user. And what is the public IP? No, it is denying, sir. Why it is denying permission denied from that folder to open? It is required to 1 second. The file is not secure. It is open to everyone. Which one we downloaded? So what is our file name? My shell script. Just go to the permissions. Okay, one more time. No, permission denied. Bad permission. Otherwise, one more option I will provide you. Don't worry. Download one more third-party tool. MOBA Extreme. MOBA Extreme is one more third-party tool. MOBA Extreme, it's completely free. Download it. And don't select which one portable, sir. Just select the installer. .exe file will come. This one, green color one, you have to select. Then it will be is going to download one file, and when you install that one, you will get a MOBA Extreme, not editor. Just I'm canceling this one. Already I have in my machine. MOBA Extreme is there. See, this is a one. Select that. If put is not there, and this first time you won't get any passwords. So you will get this default screen. Select session. Select again SSH, IP address. What is the username? And remember, after these two, come to advanced SSH settings. Inside of that, use private key. There is a file button is there. Select that. And where is your downloaded PPK file or PEM file? Any format will work. Click on OK. It is refused key, sir. What is the reason? 1 second. The reason is very simple. One more way. Not way, actually. We downloaded. I'm creating one more key. PPK for only putty. We downloaded PPK file. I have observed this one. One more time. I'm just scrolling this side. Wait. Before going to create, we downloaded what is the file extension? File extension is, what is the file extension we have? PPK. PPK only for putty. Sir, I don't want to use the putty or it is not supporting. Then what you have to do? While creating the VM or before creating the VM, other than PPK format, there is a PEM file also there. Means only one time activity, this key generation also. Select the machine and check is it under free trial. Again keep it and T2 micro and is it free trial? Good. Sir, here one time activity, I am creating one more key, my shell script 2. Now by default PEM only there. So PPK only for putty. See, we selected just now PPK, but now I am creating dot PEM. Dot PEM I am creating, create it, and it will be downloaded and launch the instance. Yes, now you have one question. If you don't have putty, how to connect it? Yes, same thing. Open MS-DOS, come to the run button or start button, CMD, SSH-I. Where is your downloaded file? The downloaded file is available at a particular location. In downloads, there is a my shell script 2.pem. And what is your launched VM? This VM ending with 7C6, ending with 7C6, 7C6. This VM and select that VM only, remaining unchecked. What is the public IP? And remember, default user is same. This one only I am selecting. For you, this path is different. Where is the PEM file is that selected? And username is same. And this IP address is different. Okay, if I provide in this way, yes, if I press the enter key, yes, press type yes. No issue, no. I'm getting some error related to folder issue, sir. It is open to everyone. Okay, no worries. I will try with putty. Sorry, mobile extreme. Just give me one small doubt I have. So when I'm trying to connect SSH from my local laptop, SSH, it is showing an error. The folder having full permission. Anyone can access it. That is the reason. So what I'm doing?
I need to change the permission of that file.
Absolutely. Again, that leads to one more big topic. That's why I'm ignoring. EC2-user. See, second time. And SSH, your private file, not PPK, PEM file. And click on OK. Yes. If it is not working, is it fine now?
You have to install SSH in that local, sir. You're using, right?
Yes. SSH is ready-made available, but file is open to this folder is open to everyone. We need to change the permissions. Okay, I'm asking these two. Either mobile extreme and putty, is it fine? Both are, see, you can use
Mobile
any
extreme is fine.
that is even mobile extreme. We can also connect Windows servers also, not only port number 22. Even RDP is there and NFC is there. Yes, multiple protocols are also there. Yes, multiple protocols we can connect. Okay, fine, sir. You can use any one of them. That is up to you. So again, ask that one. What is the host name? Who am I? And what is the operating system I have? Uname -a. Yes, otherwise host name CTL. Complete information you will get. It's a virtual one or not. So machine operating information. AWS using virtualization concept. Zin. AWS will use. Okay, fine, sir. Now you can move to the super user from here. Now, if press CD,
one small query was there.
user. Sorry.
I had small query. Generally, can the Linux machine also be joined to domain, unlike Windows ones?
Direct, no, sir. In that way, it is not possible. You are talking
They
Azure,
are not domain.
Windows 80, but you are talking.
No, like Linux machine cannot be joined to domain, is it?
Okay, there is a different approach again. Not
No, it is
Windows,
possible only.
not in the directly not
Okay.
possible. I mean, can we add directly Windows Linux machine to one of the AD server? No.
No. His question, I guess, Naga is trying to join the workspace work group to domain.
Yeah, correct.
Trusting work group to domain, or the server need to add one of the element in the domain controller.
No. He already in Windows AD is there. He trying to add the Linux machine to work group to AD.
Yeah,
Domain
that is
joined
every machine is
machine.
possible. Every machine is by default work group only. You can convert anything to add to domain. That is possible, but I am talking DC. Okay, come guys. The first command I am introducing to you, printing statement. Echo, you can print anything in single quote. Echo after I am writing something like good morning. Echo, then after I am writing in single quotes, as it is working. Echo, good morning and hi. See, this is a different way you have to pick. Something I provided double quotes and something I'm providing single quotes. It is working. When you work with echo, there is a one special character is there, hyphen E. This hyphen E option, even same string only, you can write good morning. There is some special characters are there. When you type any string, this is your target string you want to print, your input string. As it is, it will print. Echo will support the escape characters like escape tab T. Escape T is for the tab space, and N for new line, tab B for backspace. So you can use these characters inside of this one. Echo, see, good morning. See this one? As it is printing. But your intention is after good word, you need to break the line, and second line should start or print morning. If you want to use slash or escape characters use inside of your string, you have to use hyphen E. Hyphen is the one character to print the when you use the hyphen E inside of your string, the string between double quotes or single quotes or without quotes, that is up to you. And if I use same area, tab T, yes, to all. See, good morning to all. Good morning to all. Even I will continue the line slash n. I am printing some design also, like see, actually it's a two-line statement. It's a two-line statement I written simple way. Good morning to all. Simple. See, you just think good tab space, morning tab space, and this is a DO2. At a time also you can write two tab spaces. At a time also you can write the two tab spaces. See, good tab space, tab space. Tab space means depends on the system setting, that is a 4 or 5 spaces. 4 or 5 spaces. Let me check that value also to get more accurate from here to here. Oh, it's directly coming to, I think probably 4 spaces. Probably that is the 4 spaces we have. Okay, now tab n slash n for new line slash t for tab space. These are very useful options. Remaining also there, like small bell sound will come if you use slash a from the CPU. From the CPU, small bell sound will come slash a. And if you write, these are not useful. Only T and N is useful. If you write B backspace, it will delete the characters of backspace /B backspace. It will delete the left side character GOOD, and then after high is there. But see, O is D is deleted here. This will be deleted. This /B will be deleted, left side character, and carry written word also there. See, if I write a word before R as it is, this is a versional string. R is nothing but carry written from the beginning. Version, this is your string. After R, whatever the characters are there, that will come from the beginning. It will sit Z, and you are not writing anything in this area. So remaining will be printed GOOD, carry written, nothing but override from the beginning. So only one character overriding. Remaining as it is, it will print Z and remaining characters. Z and remaining characters. And one more important option. If I use -n high, see the prompt. See the prompt. What is the difference? If I print only high, if I print -n high, is there any difference? Output is there, close after here. -n generally will be that after printing it never take the new line. But echo command, if you are not using any options, it will print and prompt will come to the next line. Prompt will come to the next line. And next command will be executed here only. For example, I am writing -n, good morning. Semicolon is nothing but end of the line, sir. Thank you.
Naga, can you clear your screen and type top always?
Okay, fine. Is it fine? See,
Fine,
what's
Naga.
the meaning
Yes.
of these two, sir? Before this, just check this one. Date, PWD, who am I? Yes, one after one. These three commands will execute. Maybe you may ask one question, sir. One by one it is executing. Then why we have to create the scripts? Saving storage. So if I close the session, these commandlet or commands are not available. Yes, semicolon. Same way, if you see the last command, very last command, this one. First, good morning, it will print. It won't take the new line. Again, thank you will print. It won't take the new line. So again, the prompt will come in the next same line only. Echo will start the printing in new line. After printing, cursor will come to the next line. But if you maintain -n, the cursor will available in the same line. And there are some color codes also there when you use echo command. Yes. So to get the color codes, this is a simple, sir. /e, your color code, and whatever the string, color code off. First, I will give to you basic idea. Then we will extend that concept. Especially color codes, BRG or something. Okay, one second, sir. BRG and 1 second. Yellow. Okay, we will see the color codes. I'm not sure BRG is a perfect one. So this color code is 30M, and it's a 31, 32. Like that, you can test it, but mainly up to 35, 36 is available. We will write the color codes. What is the color code we will get for this practically? No need to remember these codes also. These are the basic codes. Then after underline, what is that, like a foreground or background, bold are there. But this is a main. B for here blue, red, and green. Then we will see remaining things. What is the code? So how to use the color code? Some string is there, sir. The string you want to print. -e, see, /e, square bracket, open square bracket, your color code number. If you write in this way, you will get one problem, not the output. See, paste this one. What is the problem? Okay, something is copied, sir. That is the problem. Control C I am using. So easiest way. Even if you want to take the duplicate session also, it is the easiest way. Just right click, take the duplicate. Okay, fine. The copy paste issue. See echo. So I am printing good morning. Generally, you are getting the characters in white color. Now I decided I want to use a special characters. -E. First 30M I am writing. 30M after you are not getting any color code. What is the reason? Same issue, sir. Previously also same issue. 1 second. Prompt is continuously working. "30M, good morning." No, it is not working. Okay, I'm planning to ignore this code. Okay, let me write a versional code, sir. Even -E area, we have to write the versional code. Means that you said that one again, you are saying another one. So I am using -E. Actually, this value is /033 30M hi on. No, sir, even though it is not working, what is the reason? I am not closing this color code. I know that one. I want to show you the problem. That's why I'm executing in this way. Echo -E 31M 31M or 30 something. Good morning. I have to close it again. I know very well this point. Without closing, I am trying to explain it to you. Okay. See what I'm trying to explain to you. Without this one, I am explaining to you, sir. Now this is a problem. See. So -E /E escape character 31M some color code. The red color code is continuing. See, continuing in the next also. But we don't want this one. This is the starting of the color code. And if you want to stop them, you have to off it. Off purpose any color code 0M. For half of the color code, any one of them is a 0M only. -E and this E is fixed and here E is fixed. And off this one, I mean, I want to print the color code only for this line. Yes, off 0M. Let me try one more color code, number 30. Start from blue actually. We are unable to see this one. See? We are unable to see it. Something is there. Same thing I will execute in another machine. We have a one putty session also there somewhere. So something is there in the blue color, sir, here. Something is there. Even I am unable to select this line. See, remaining characters we are unable to see. Otherwise, in putty, maybe now see, which is coming in the even blue color also we cannot see in directly. Okay, now change the 32. F red, blue first 30, 31 red, 32 is green. Then you can remember this codes. 34, 34, 34, yes, 35, 35 already is there magenta. 36, 37, 37 as it is. Now these are the major 37 up to 37. So 38 you will get some bold color, or even if you see that you can write like 0, 32M, not 32M, 32M. And even if you want to get the bold color, there are some combinations we can write here. 0, even take the help document of eco. 31 to 37 general, sir. Is there any color code related documents? Okay, that's simple color codes are available. Remember, any one of two to design printing purpose only for printing purpose only. Right. One more beauty. I am printing some statement. Good morning. You can also send this output into a file by using the redirection operator. There is a one redirection operator, one greater than or two greater than. You can use it. Anyhow, when we have a big section is there. Depend on the file descriptors. What is a 1, what is a 2, 3 file descriptor, one concept is there. There you will understand dev and all. But if you write as of now 1 greater than or 2 greater than, 1 greater than, it will create a new file. Already file is there, it will overwrite. See, I am writing a.txt. See, in this location a file is created a.txt which contains your data. So echo command output you can also send to one file. One file also. And echo command, for example, just to consider I am creating one variable. Here I am loading with some value. Just I am creating a variable. I am not saying to you about a variable topic. A equal to 34 is there. Sir, I want to print this way. The value of A is 34. I want to print. But 34 area, anything will come. How to print it? Can I write in this way? The value of A is A. Will it come? No. Here I want to replace the variable value. That is my target. Yes, statement is clear. Here I want to replace the variable value. Now I am writing a variable value, some other value. Again, my requirement is the value of A is whatever the value is loaded into A. Yes, the best practice is this one, sir. Any variable name. So if not best practice, sir, directly you can write the A. I mean, I am saying to you, to avoid space issues in upcoming days, write in the curly value with dollar, value with curly braces A or dollar A. But this is a preferable one. There is no upcoming confusion. See, same statement I am writing with the dollar A. Same statement I am writing with the curly braces A. Space, extra space. See, there is no change. Echo command not only for printing, you can also use special character -e. Then it will support the tab spaces, tab in tab, new line, slash, backslash it will support. And -n, it won't take the new line after printing. And we can also redirect a command output into one file by echo command. Next, a variable value we can replace by using the echo command.
Naga, here the variable value when we are storing, we don't need that $a equals to 1 2 3 4 5, right? We can straight away a equals to 1 2 3 4 5, but through echo when we will call, we will use that dollar the flower bracket or $a, right?
Yes, absolutely. Either this one or this one.
Yeah, this is a difference in like with PowerShell and this shell bash shell, right? One of them.
There is a different terminal level is different. I mean, technology to technology different.
Yes. Okay.
Even
fine.
in the PowerShell also this approach is there. Let me explain to you. I mean that word is there. That's why I'm making. For example, how to create a variable in PowerShell? Generally, $a we will write. But here,
correct,
you have to write without spaces either sides of equal operator. I will give you what is the conditions to variable name also. And calling point, we will use right hyphen host. The value is $A. Even if you write curly braces, there is no difference. Printing point.
Okay.
But assigning time is different in the year.
Okay.
Okay. So echo command is, we can give simple five or four features. Echo command to print any string, you can print it, and to escape character it will support with -e, and -n also it will print, which will not take the new line after printing some statement, and we can redirect echo command output into one variable. And fifth point, we can replace the variable value by echo command in this way. Okay, printing, you can print anything. And next one, I want to take the runtime input from the user. Program execution time, I want to take some input from the user. Generally, if you take PowerShell, what is the equivalent command to take the runtime from the input user?
Read-host.
In Python, input function. In C language, scanf. In Linux also same thing, there is a read command. But one hidden variable is there, replay, capital letter, it's a case sensitive. So I will explain to you replay and what is the other available options with the read. Beautiful command. See, read, press enter. I am providing anything, it will read in the form of string only. There is no, even if you provide a number also, it will read in the form of string only. See, I am providing hi, good morning. It will take one line input. One line input means when you press the enter key, that is the end of the line. E-O-L, end of the line. Now tell me where it is stored now. My value is stored where? I have a question. I provided something, but where it is
not stored. It's not stored now.
Actually,
Just
it is stored. The stored value is the replace. The stored value is I provided replay. There is an inbuilt variable is there. If you are not providing anything with the read, generally read will take the input. Take the input. If you are not providing any variable, what is the default variable? Capital replay. All letters are capital. See, I return the stored value is replay. Yes, after replay area, same value is came or not here? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Inbuilt.
Correct, yes.
But
one doubt.
Yes, sir.
See, by default, we understood that whatever read commands are there, it will going to store replay value. Okay.
Replay
So
variable.
where actually, that where actually it will be there by default and which place located?
We have a environment variables are there. Definitely there you will see where we have that variable. ENV. There we will see where we have that variable, how that is coming from the shell. There we will see. It's an inbuilt variable. That's why I'm saying that one inbuilt variable. For example, if I'm defining a variable, if I'm defining some variable name, now is it stored in A? My 20 value is stored in A? Are you
Yes.
Let's we will check.
Yes.
The value is, see that one? Perfect. But everything is string only.
It is not like A equals read. Huh? It is read. Yeah.
Not like.
But what is the main difference and where place we need to use default and inbuilt?
Default one actually when you take input times, I mean yes or no single time. For example, where we will write it. Echo, I am writing enter yes or no. Just I am taking read. Even if you want to user input is, if you miss that variable, now can I write this one in this way? Is it correct? Are you agree with this line? Read like scanf in C language. Is it fine? Can I write it Line
I
number,
think correct
But
only.
what is the input here?
But it
Nothing
is
is input, right, sir?
yes, what is the input?
Reply and nothing is input, right?
No. When I
No,
run the
nothing.
program, first what will happen generally? First line,
Enter yes and user input is yes,
actually.
yes and no.
Okay, 1 second. First, which line will be executed? First line. Close line, sir. First line. First line, what is that one? Printing only. Am I right? Printing only. Second line, what it will do? What it will do on the console?
Nothing. It is
No.
Asking for input.
Wait. It will
Asking
wait
for input.
input, one line input. When you press the enter, then only it will close. Am I right? Am I right?
yeah.
Then I am not
Yes.
defining any variable. If I am not defining any variable, the default whatever you will provide for line number 2, that will be loaded into replay variable or not.
Correct.
Now see, enter yes or no. Which line now? Which line is executing actually? Now which line is executing in your script?
Second line.
Second line.
Second line.
Yes, but seems to be first line is linked here. Enter yes or no? Yes. See, user entered yes. Yes or no? Input purpose. Sir, you may ask one question. Sir, why we have to take 2 times? Why we have to using line number 1? Generally, printing purpose. Is there any possibility with read command? I want to print some message. And I want to take the input. 2 actions. Printing something, for that read -p prompt. Hi now, please enter print or please enter a number. See this one, only one line command. Hi now, please enter a number. I am providing 20. Now tell me 20 is loaded where? Which variable? Is it replay?
Yeah.
Then instead of these 2 commands, can I use one command? Can I use one command?
Sir, reply I can use this variable also.
Is a variable, default inbuilt variable of read command. Now my question is,
No, if so.
yes.
Yeah.
My question is, instead of these 2 lines, can I use only one line?
Yes.
Sorry, Naga, sorry, I'm not understand actually. Can you repeat again?
Okay, sure. For example, I
Confused.
want to take a input into one variable, sir. What is the approach? I want to give a, first I want to ask a user, enter a number. If I run this program, what is the output I will get? Enter a number, that's all. Am I right?
Yes,
So,
correct.
next I want to take some input from the user. What should I take? Can I take read?
Okay.
Okay, even if you are not providing any variable name, that will be default replay. If you want, you can use the variable name with space after some variable name. If X area, if you are not defining any variable name, the default variable will come, that is a replay. But I am providing this one. Okay, then after I am printing, sir, I am printing. How to printing? Echo the user, otherwise no double quotes. The user entered value is $A. Is it fine now?
Okay,
X,
but
right?
we are passing X.
Sure.
Here user will provide a runtime. You consider user some value will provide, that value will be loaded in X variable.
Okay.
And don't expect in other programming language like X equal to read in this way. Maybe you are thinking in that way.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now see, if I run this program, see the output. Enter a number. Second line is given. Take the script also. Control L, cat N, cat B dot sh. I am running this program, sir. First line will be executed. Second line executing. That's why it is asking entry number. If I provide 30,
Sir, the
again it's
variable
going
dollar x, no?
Should be $X
excellent.
Dollar
instead of
x,
A.
right?
Instead of X, it will load. To print them, oh here I written A na. I'm sorry. I written A na. That is wrong na. I mean it. Variable name is what?
Yes.
Variable name is X. See, I'm running the program batch b.sh. Enter a number, something I'm providing. Now see, again it is printing as it is or not. These three are clear, and whatever the three commands and three outputs are clear. First point.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
No.
see why I have to use echo command. What is the use of echo command here? Really? To something to give the get user point a proper information. If I'm not using line number 1, directly it is waiting for input or not. If I'm not using line number 1, I'm deleting this line. Only 2 lines only there. Now tell me, end user can understand some now? It is blinking.
No.
No, it is blinking only. It is blinking, but what should he do? We are expecting a number, but how the end user knows? We don't know. We know if you provide something, again the something will be printed. So what I'm doing to you, instead of this previous command, enter a number. See, before that I'm putting some hash symbol, which is commented lines, never execute. Now same program I'm writing in one line, enter a number and with space or just a variable name I'm writing. Line number 1 and 2, instead of these two, I am writing one line. If you use -p is a prompt, it will give a prompt, it will print, then whatever you will provide the input that will be loaded into X variable. Instead of these two lines, I am writing in one line. Why? Because read command providing one option -p. See this one really will it work? Enter a number. Yes, working or not? See, is it good or not? Comparing with previous 1 and 2, line number 6. Even time limit also we can provide it. Say we can say take the passwords also. We will move that tomorrow. But one thing, wait. This is what today content, but we will continue read command tomorrow also. So after your practice, first you have to do better to refresh one time. Select the VMs which are in running mode. Definitely you will create only one VM. Then come to instance type, select terminate. But your keys are available and you don't delete the keys which are downloaded from the internet or from here. So don't worry, sir. This machine terminated message sometime it will available to you. Probably 15 minutes. 15 minutes after it will vanish from your complete account. If it is terminated, you are in the safe mode. There is no chargeable things for your account. Next day also you can come and you can create an account.
But we can stop, sir, right? Stop and you can do that, right? It will chargeable, sir.
No, even if you stop that one, storage purpose they are building, sir. Stop also.
Okay.
When you start again.
But next 1 year, next 1 year is free, right? Anyway, keep it online or something. Not terminate every time.
Absolutely, that is a limit also there. 720 hours also there. That's why I'm saying to you, better to terminate.
Okay.
Generally, what we will do next 2 months or next year, what we will do, one more debit card we will take, one more account we will create it. Everything, if you practice on the free trial, it is we can enjoy it. But not Azure, not like this. Only 1 month free, but lot of times it will ask credit card only, not even debit card. But AWS is giving huge option. Okay.
Okay.
That's yes.
Why we don't want to delete that SSH key, Naga? Is it something needed? Because if you can use the same key every time for every instance we create.
Yes, absolutely. That is like a authentication purpose. Without password, every time we have to maintain on our machine. Even if you delete that one, it is not possible to get back from your local laptop.
Okay. So you're telling if the key is there, if I create one more instance, still that old key only I can use it. I
Yes,
don't need to create one more time.
yes,
Keys.
one key you are maintaining, you can use that key for any machine, not only Linux, Windows, any machine you can use it. We downloaded one key, we created one PEM key and PPK key. Better to you can create
Okay.
the PEM.
Now, instead of managing the instance wise the key, it's possible project wise we can manage it that key
That
PPK.
AWS project to part depends on their requirements. Even
Okay.
people won't believe cloud generated.
Because what I'm thinking now, so if I created PPK in the one time, so next time I no need to do another task. Once I created the instance, I can use the project key only to utilize
That depends on
daily instead of
exactly
creating the key.
customer requirement only. Even if you talk about AWS, different project to different things, that is
Okay.
depend on the project and the customer requirement. Okay, thank you guys.